Saga. I am from Electronics and Communication Engineering and I am from IIT Nagpur. In my this project, I have explored many things in the emerging field of electronics and communication, that is IoT, Internet of Things. We have explored how to connect the things with the internet and how to see the health of other people from foreign which are sitting in India, and also using this element we can know the health of our parents which are very much far away from each other.
So, hello friends, I am Arjit Shah of Computer Science and Engineering branch in IIT Nagpur, and for the first time I work in this emerging branch of electronics, that's IoT, Internet of Things, and my experience was pretty good here because with my teammates I tried to design a new product that's smart health band where we can measure the pulse rate of old people, maybe our parents, and try to help them during emergency and even take them to hospital.
My name is Aman Verma. I am pursuing BTech in CSC from IIT Nagpur. I have chosen to be the part of this project as this project focuses on saving life. It lowers down the death rate in our country. Our project is a new concept which is still not being introduced in the market. It is one of its own kind, and this thing impressed me the most.
Hello guys, my name is Suman of Computer Science and Engineering branch of IIT Nagpur. I had a lot of experience and explored new things about Internet of Things, and came with a new product and designed with respective my support members of team, that is Ajit and Aman, for their support, and we completed this smart health band project. And I am very thankful to Dr. Ramesh Bhatt, Professor of Electronic and Communication branch, and Aditya Japa, the Junior Research Fellow, for their immense support.
We are going to discuss the new concepts which we have learned throughout our project.
IoT, Internet of Things, makes connectivity to a next level. It connects various devices with the internet, and it connects the interaction between a human-machine and a machine-machine interaction. And IPv6 is the main backbone of the Internet of Things, and IoT is the main backbone of today's ecosystem. And in our project, pulse sensor is sensing our heartbeat. It implements its output through the analog signals.
Arduino Uno is a microcontroller which takes a signal from pulse sensor and convert it into a numeric value, and after that the numeric value gets displayed on the serial monitor, and using a software we are converting that numeric value into a text file, and then we are sending that text file to the IoT gateway using OneDrive, and that gateway passes firstly traces all the information and then passes that information to the cloud server.
Now we are sending the file to the cloud server, and then we are checking the device related information, and all the text files are now going to other devices who have registered OneDrive accounts. They are OneDrive accounts, and after that in our project if the pulse rate exceeds the normal rate, our text file is generated automatically, and it immediately goes to the mobile phone, and there's a notification arrives using our app.
Task, we make the city smart, and to do so, we need to conserve our human resources, as human resources are the most important resources which we as human beings have. And to do so, we have made a smart health band. For making a smart health band, we have used several components. Now we are going to describe the usage of those components.
While making this project, we have used components like Arduino Uno and pulse sensor. And Arduino Uno is a microcontroller which converts the analog signals into the numeric value, and after that we take it into on the serial monitor.
Component was the pulse sensor. The pulse sensor is a plug-and-play heartbeat sensor which shows your heartbeat process, and it is an integrated optical amplifying circuit and is a noise cancelling sensor.
This is Arduino. It's a microcontroller based on Atmega 32 IC, and it has a 32 KB memory. It works on all platforms like Mac, Windows, and many others. And it has a 14 digital pins, as you can see here, and these are 6 analog pins. and these are for the 5-volt ground and many other things. It supports Java, C, C++, and here, as you can see here, it is a power supply where we can give 6 to 12 volts, and if we are giving more than this, then it will get damaged. And from here we connect the cable which comes with Arduino UNO, and from here we upload the programs, and it also gives some power which is coming from USB.
You can see the LED which is blinking green is pulse sensor, and it has been connected with the Arduino UNO, and as there are 3 terminals given in the pulse sensor, there are 3 terminals. Mainly the orange one is the analog, that is given A0. The second one is the green, which is given to the ground terminal, and the third is 5 volt. You can supply it also with 3.3 volt, but with our this project it is compatible with 5 volt. Thank you.
We have created a code which makes our heartbeat visible physically. In this code, we find the heartbeat of a person, and we also find the BPM and the IDI values.
Now we are going to explain the variables which we have used in our
Code on your monitor screen. A pulse sensors and smart headband shows the message on both GSM shield, and through your other part of TXT file it converts and can move through your OneDrive, which my friend will discuss with you later on. And this code you have seen, these are variables and functions, and this in all serial handling. This is the if condition we have put it. If BPM is less than 120, the heartbeat is actually a normal for a human being up to age of 65, and if it more than 120, it requires a BPM medical attention. As you can see this, this is our serial monitor output. Here the pulse heartbeat is happening 91, 92, 150. If it crosses 120, you can see it's showing medical attention required. So this comes as output, and the person will automatically move to the hospital or will consult with the doctor. On करूँ?
This is the monitor for heart rate sensor, and it is measuring their BPM, and this is the graph for our pulse rate, and that are IBI values. And this is our pulse rate sensor.
Now we are going to send the output of serial monitor into a readable text file, so that we are using a external software here, and now I'm connecting it with COM4. That's our serial monitor port. Now it started connecting. Now let us measure the pulse rate here. The pulse rate is slowly coming. Now we are going to convert it to a text file, so that we can send to the mobile devices and other devices. So let us convert it. Now the required data, we need to form the required data now. Now let us see this text file in a mobile gadget. First of all, now it has been saved into the OneDrive folder. Now let us see this in a mobile device. Now we can see that just now this video got uploaded in the OneDrive of the mobile. There's a notification arrived in the phone, and now we can view this file as a text format here in the phone, and this all the heartbeats has arrived here in the phone as in the form of text file, and we can see the entire data here.
That all the giant MNCs like Facebook, Google, Microsoft are working on this big area of IoT, that is of the electronics and communication.
And it's a small contribution from our part that we have tried to make people's life more connected, and by taking care of their near and dear ones, by staying far from them, and also health is an important part of everyone's life.
As a scenario of what we decided to come with a new product that is smart and where health is so important and no one is taking care of themselves. So with this product they can keep a track of their health.
We sincerely thank to Bhatti sir, Aditya sir, and Nareem ma'am for their guidance and kind support.